Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So happy new year, happy new year. Hope you enjoyed and you had an amazing party and in the New Year's Eve, and now we are heading into 2023. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. It's amazing having your likes. So guys, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So my name is Mike from CorionX, and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. So guys, here is our favorite bubble chart, the crypto bubble chart. We see Bitcoin and Ethereum is just plus minus zero, but few coins like Solana is pumping after dumping like a FOMO, and also Flow, Mina, GT pumping, but ICP, Hex, Theta, Dash, and Trust Wallet token GMX are correcting today. So this is a mixed day because also the DXY is just getting stronger, and the stock market is also dumping, so it's a red day today, but we see few altcoins going into the opposite direction. So what about the crypto fear and greed index, our favorite indicator? It is at 26, so not too much happened. Investors are still fearful. And let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin teases weekly highs as traders eye BTC price leg up to 17,300. Okay, so let's wait for 17,300. We are not there yet. Consensus builds for fresh attack on 17,000 US dollar. If BTC finally ready to join the party, I could set it round to 13,300 as drawn below. Popular trader Crypto Chase wrote in part of analysis on yesterday. Despite a market-wide bounce, BTC is still below the key 17,300 resistance according to REC Capital. Local move about the weekly from the support I had marked out on USD Euro price action. If it can hold about the weekly, I would expect further upside on DXY and thus a move down on S&P 500 and crypto. This again is based on if it can hold the weekly level into support. So if the DXY, the dollar strength index, can hold about these levels, then it can go higher, and then crypto and the stock market would suffer. So BTC avoids rising DCG tensions, so some FUDs going around, potential trouble for DCG, Digital Currency Group. An open letter to DCG, Gary Siebert, Cameron Winklevoss, co-founder Gemini, demands answers. So that was a kind of FUD storm on Twitter, or tweet storm, and yeah. And Bitcoin was steady and not affected. Bitcoin volatility may return in catch-up with gold in 2023. So guys, we need some volatility because the markets looks pretty dead. BTC price volatility follows bear market pattern. So Bitcoin's volatility on months realized volume distribution. So guys, quite interesting. You see third halving, second halving, and first halving, and we are now in the third halving, and the current volatility is very, very low. Now that we are deep in the bear, it seems that the pattern of shrinking volatility every cycle holds. The average volatility is pretty much the same, red zone, but the right tail is gone. So 1 month Bitcoin volatility. So Bitcoin volatility is really low, and I think I don't know what's the percentage here, but at least we see the volatility is low. The average 1 month realized volatility distribution chart. Okay, and this is also the Bitcoin historical volatility index, the WIX, the Bitcoin WIX index, and we see the Bitcoin volatility is very, very low. It's under 10. Bitcoin volume 10.2. I think it's US dollar or terms or whatever. Bitcoin prime to follow stocks, gold, traders hope. 2023 will be one of the best yet for the precious metal, in my opinion. Will Bitcoin play catch up? That's the question. So gold already broke out, and we see gold is pumping. We already gave a trade setup for gold when it broke out, and we see that Bitcoin is not following yet, but maybe will follow. Bitcoin looks really for continuation, but always difficult to call when US opens up tomorrow. I would be chasing the 16.6 area if you are not in a position. Targets 17 to 17,100. So guys, but that was the news, yeah, in the morning. Next piece of news is more bear market. Analyst looks at three on-chain models that signaled Bitcoin BTC bottoms in previous cycles. So who is that analyst? Nicholas Merton, the host of the Data Dash channel, and he looks into the profit and loss NUPL metric. At three of bottoming indicators are still not showing any clear signs of recovery or strength. We get the net unrealized profit and loss, one of our favorite models here, still sitting in capitulation territory, but still far away from what we have seen in previous bear markets. In a typical normal Bitcoin bear market, we come down to a point range of about 45. Right now we are sitting at 51 with the recent low at 49. We have yet to get there just yet. To make matters worse, we have not seen real minor capitulation, not even the typical kind of capitulation we see in normal bear market. With how bad things are right now, with how low Bitcoin's price is compared to the average cost of miners, these companies are burning through cash in order to extract Bitcoin that's worth a fraction of the cost of their mining and electricity. There needs to be a massive consolidation. There will be a lot of sell side pressure that is just going to make things worse. Here is the near term before they get better. It's simple supply and demand. Okay, so he is expecting more downside, final capitulation before going up. Vitalik Buterin highlights what he is bullish about for 2023. So let's check this. Reaching the basic rollup scaling milestone in my roadmap diagram. That means AIP 844 rolled out, rollups partially taking up training wheels at least to stage 1 and described here. And what the real use case was partial taking of training wheels at least to stage 1. Ethereum Magician Forum. Okay. Good crypto future might look like. Okay. Cool. He also sees payments and decentralized finance being part of this future and now organizational paradigms powered by decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. So DeFi and the DAOs and payments. Buterin outlines several areas of crypto that would need to be fixed, including scaling, privacy, user experience, and making user accounts more secure for average users than centralized services. Yeah, so these are some achievements to be solved. So next, Eric Voorhees tips 40,000 BTC by June, but little consensus among pundits. Okay. Why Tim Draper has stood by his 250,000 US dollar prediction for the second year running. Eric Voorhees 40,000 by the summer. Let's check this. Okay. Looking at Voorhees said that the macro environment, interest rates, and the tightening of monetary conditions are big factors in how the crypto market will play out this year. Just trash, but those commentators will also be able once to be blindsided when the next rally happens. Okay, whether we are in a bull or bear market, we are in the middle of a revolution right now, and this is the most important. Tim Draper 250,000 by April 2024. See t-shirts 250 by 2022. I like this t-shirt. My prediction was off by a bit. Hasn't made it there yet, certainly before the halving. Yes. Okay. Mike McGlone, 100,000 by 2025. So Bloomberg Intelligence Senior Commodity Strategist Mike McGlone, who has been optimistic about the future of Bitcoin in the past, tapped the crypto to only reach 100,000 by 2025. Standard Chartered says that 5,000 in 2023. Standard Chartered predicted Bitcoin could drop to as low as 5,000. They just would wish to drop. Okay, financial market surprise. Okay. Bitcoin is a completely unpredictable asset, and also Robert Kiyosaki sharing some. Are you investing in Bitcoin? Yes, I am. I am very excited about Bitcoin. Why? Because Bitcoin is classified as commodity, much like gold, silver, and oil. Most crypto tokens are classified as security, and SEC regulations will crash most of them. I am buying more Bitcoin. So he's bullish on Bitcoin because he is classified as commodity. Crypto analyst predicts beginning of next Bitcoin bull run, lays out March 2023 Ethereum forecast. So who is this analyst? Invest answers. Late 2023 or sometime after summer 2023, the Bitcoin bull run could begin again. No guarantees in this, but looking at everything that I know, we had a very, very bad year. Bitcoin is very beaten down. It doesn't stay down forever. It is under massive accumulation. The supply is thinning on exchanges. Every single technical indicator you could look at says it is a bottom. And people are educated now. They know what the halving is all about, and they know the front run is. So I believe in the late 2023 there will be a Bitcoin bull run. We do have some stuff happening in March 2023. Stakers out there who stake their Ethereum, who are currently receiving about 5% annual interest for committing their ETH to secure the chain. But withdrawals have not been enabled, but they will be enabled in March 2023. Enabling Bitcoin chain withdrawals could give stakers more confidence in staking more. I think about 13% is currently staked of the total supply, but in the meantime, those who have been waiting a long time, like 6 to 9 months or more, to get their ETH back, they will sell, and this will cause a bit of sell pressure, so a bit of sell pressure in March. But I also do think, but guys, don't forget that there will be an unlock, so not unlocking everything, but unlocking, I think, every month for a year. But I also do think it's also after the sell pressure happens, it will bring about much more staking, even maybe from institutions who want to get some of the 5% for staking their ETH, which will be a growing asset as well, and is in the next bull run. So next piece of news is $1 billion hedge fund is betting against Bitcoin and Grayscale, not just USDT. So which is this hedge fund? So guys, but don't forget, the hedge funds also was betting against GameStop, and actually the community, the Reddit horde, just liquidated these hedge funds. So crypto native investment advisor Lumida, thread 2 characters, Workhire Investments and FART3 have entered the what's Shakespeare and drama. The motivation of the second is very dubious. FART3 is a hedge fund with about 3 billion in assets under management and hundreds of holdings. Okay. They have interest in GBTC, they filed a lawsuit, yada yada. Okay, digital currency group. A big short on Bitcoin, crypto, and Tether. Okay, guys, this is bullshit, so I don't give any shit to this. So Bitcoin bullish this year. Popular crypto strategist unveils BTC outlook based on 4-year cycles. Wrecked Capital says the BTC bear market is coming to an end according to 4-year cycles principles, but a new bottoming out candle free is set to form next. So this will be the 3rd year candle, and it can just go lower and finishing the year higher, but let's get this candle free in 2015, so 234% move. Candle free in 2019, so a 316% rally. Candle free in 2023 may see stronger upside than most think. Past BTC candle frees have enjoyed, yes, the rally. If BTC rallies to those levels, then not far-fetched. So it's not far-fetched, but we already got this crypto Bitcoin stuff. Next, okay, Bitcoin price prediction for 2023: rally to 250,000 or crash to 5,000 US dollar. Could BTC price rise 1,400% over the next 12 months? Okay, so 2021 was rough time for crypto. Yes, we already know this. Following a long period of rising prices and delighted investors, last year saw the arrival of a crypto winter that brought Bitcoin's price crashing down, bankrupted companies, and wiped over $1 trillion US dollar of the market, and that's not even mentioning the collapse of FTX. Analyst predictions vary widely, from Bitcoin almost quadrupling in previous record high and reaching 250,000 US dollar to the digital coin crashing to 5,000 US dollar, which would be its lowest price since 2019. Okay, so we already know what's happened. Optimistic calls came from billionaire venture capitalist Tim Draper. He believes Bitcoin will rally 1,400% to the end of the year versus 250,000. My assumption is that since women control 80% of retail spending and only 1% in 7 Bitcoin wallets are currently held by women, that the dam is about to break. Okay, so one opposite end of the scale is Standard Chartered Global Head of Research Eric Robertson, who believes Bitcoin fall will continue to 5,000 next year and drop about 60% drop in current price. Veteran investor Mark Moebius has a similar pessimistic outlook, believing BTC will drop to 10,000. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Okay, we'll see. I like this. Next piece of news is from Watcher Guru. Bitcoin miners revenue hits almost 10 billion US dollar in 2022. Is this a high number or a low number? I don't know, but they profited this revenue. Even though the 10 billion in revenue in 2022 seems like a large number, it's comparatively lower than of 2021. So it's lower than 2021. In 2021, miners revenue was 15 billion. Okay, so it's just going lower, but also I think this is a good money. Bitcoin AR predicts BTC price for January 31, and what it will be. BTC fell from what's the prediction? Is this AI predicts price prediction 15,500, and Solana will crash to 4,000. Okay guys, so this is not sure, but I like this. Okay, next piece of news is DeFi protocol Lido reaches almost 6 billion US dollar in total value logged, dethroning MakerDAO. Okay, Ethereum merge fuels demand for staking solution. So also guys, if you possess 32 ETH, you can go directly and staking into Ethereum staking contract. But if you are holding less than 32 ETH, then you can go to Lido Finance and staking there. DeFi TVL records major crash. DeFi market witnessed a major decline in TVL over the past year, losing more than 70% of its value, with a drop on 167 billion recorded in January 2022. Okay, so guys, but at least Lido Finance is looking pretty good. And next, Bitcoin Core developer claims to have lost 200 plus BTC in hack. Luke Dashier claims his PGP key was compromised, resulting in virtually all his Bitcoin being stolen from him on December 31. So this is not a good, so I'm really feel the pain. So a hacker had somehow gained access to his pretty good privacy key, a common security method that uses the two keys to gain access to encrypted information. Oh guys, this is sad, but why this Luke is not using Ledger Nano X? Guys, you should use a hardware wallet. This is the most secure wallet. I think if this developer would use would have used Ledger Nano, then he wouldn't has been hacked. Okay, my server was accessed this morning by an unknown person. So somebody accessed the server and put the two keys together and encrypted. Sorry to see you lose so much. Inform our security team to monitor. If it comes our way, we will freeze it. If there is anything else we can have, please let us know. The deal with this often and law enforcement relationship worldwide, he wrote. He had a hot wallet on the same computer. He did everything else. It looks like he was really complacent. Okay guys, so this is a good lesson. If even one of the Bitcoin's OG developers messes this up, I really don't know how other people are expected to do it safely. Use hardware wallet. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Dankler. Also follow at Corion platform and follow at laserpunk_guards, our NFT launchpad. We are heading into the new year also with Laserpunk Guards, and we are working on some juicy developments, launching our NFT launchpad, and that would be amazing. So definitely check out, and also let's see what's happening here. So let me refresh. And also, if you are holding CorionX, you will get some benefits when we are launching the Laserpunk Guards NFT launchpad. So, yeah, guys, let's go and also be engaged on Laserpunk Guards Twitter. Go and tweet and like and do everything. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Share and do different stuff. Be engaged and follow Laserpunk Guards, because then you will get some whitelist places. Bitcoin cycles used to rhyme. Let's check this. So this is the Bitcoin cycle, the previous one, the first one, and we are in the red. This is the current one, and in the through of this solution, either we enter the slope of the enlightenment this year or the cycle patterns break. So we should start trending upwards very soon, or the pattern will break. So hype, disillusions, enlightenment. So we should enter enlightenment very, very soon. Give a like and share. You can share here, retweet. Bitcoin 2-week MACD has almost crossed bullish. Crossover expected in the next 6 weeks. Sometime MACD will turn bullish and new cycle begins then. So this is the Bitcoin price and the pure MACD analysis, and MACD crossed here, and the MACD has crossed bullish from negative area back in September and has been holding the bullish crossover since then. When this occurs, trend is slowly shifting from bear to bull as in previous years, and this is the 1 week, but also the 2 week almost crossed bullish. Give a like and share. TT protocol airdrop, share and like, just engage with the post and follow. Happy New Year, Genie NFTs. Yes, Happy New Year, all of you guys, and Happy New Year. and Happy New Year. And chart third long-term hodlers of BTC. So 85% of the BTC supply is held by long-term hodlers right now. So guys, let's go and check out our farm. We do have farm on the Binance Smart Chain and on the Ethereum chain. So go to Uniswap or PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs and earn up to 100 to 300% APRs. So guys, let's go and check out what's happening on the charts. Let's see the Bitcoin before checking the Bitcoin price. Let's see what the DXY is doing. So DXY is getting stronger right now, and if DXY is breaking up here, this red resistance, then we will see a further upside, and that would make crypto and stock market going down. But gold is pretty bullish. It's continuing its uptrend, broke the trend line and trending upward. So we are long on gold and also using PUXG on Bybit exchange. So use the Bybit link in the description. Also, you will get a few $1,000 US bonuses if you are using our links. So guys, let's go and check what Bitcoin is doing. So not too much happening, but Bitcoin is still almost acting like a stable coin, just side waving here, and also there is decreasing volume. So like calm before the storm. And on the 4-hourly we had a long setup here, but we closed out because it was weak. Not too much happening, so we closed with a few percent of profit this long setup. So I'm watching these levels, the recent 16,500 and also the 17,000 US$. So these are the channels that we are observing for further movement. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Smash those like, push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel. Go to our farms, provide some liquidity, trade on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Probit, Buybox, and also follow me and our projects on Twitter. So see you in the next video. Enjoy and stay safe. Bye bye.